Refreshing Pina Colada recipe, how to make the perfect tropical drink. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best recipes for your favorite tropical drinks. Today, we'll show you how to make a refreshing pina colada that will transport you straight to paradise. So, let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 2 cups of fresh pineapple chunks, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1/4 cup of white rum, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Step 1. In a blender, add the fresh pineapple chunks. Step 2. Pour in the coconut milk and pineapple juice. Step 3. Add the white rum for that extra tropical kick. Step 4. Sprinkle in the sugar to balance the flavors. Step 5. Finally, add a generous amount of ice to make it frosty and refreshing. Now, put the lid on the blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Look at that beautiful, creamy texture. Your pina colada is now ready to be enjoyed. To enhance the presentation, garnish your pina colada with a pineapple chunk and a cute little cocktail umbrella.